Let's see the quick demo of local Copilot, which is set up in your local using sandbox, Docker Sandbox, and along with the MicroVM. So yeah, over here, as you can see, you can just do anything over here, like create agent, create project, anything, you can just, so that we will try to build over here. Also we will just create a standing project and all over here. So yeah, let's moving to start implementation and see how quickly we can set up and build our all that applications using this Copilot, which is completely free. So before I start implementation, I'm especially recommend if you first time visit my channel, so go to my channel, which is .NET Real World Example. And in here, if you want to learn AI integration in any application, any language, so you can learn many things over here. Apart from this, if you want to learn front end, back end as a full stack development, so you can learn that's also over here. Even as a game development, mobile development, so yeah, many things you can learn it over here. So yeah, let's moving to start implementations. So yeah, first of all, let me close everything, and then first I'll just open simple command prompt over here, and whatever terminal you have Ubuntu terminal, and also you can just use that also, but currently I use that here, my normal terminal as a Ubuntu terminal. So in what I can do, first of all, actually we require to create one sandbox. So for that, actually, for prerequisites, just install Docker desktop, or you should have the Docker. So you can just check over here Docker version, so that Docker, whatever Docker, take a latest Docker version and install that. So that's it. I think this is sufficient for your prerequisition. So yeah, let me just clear that, and now once you're done, now simply we need to run one command, which is this. And let me little bit quick. Yeah, so this is that command actually. It's the Docker Sandbox run Copilot, and then specify this tilde sign, and then asset manager mod. That's it. So once you're done, now hit enter. So what you hit enter, now see, I can see it is just already I have, because I already created, so it is available. But if you do first time, definitely you will see once you execute, so these are things actually they have to done, like they will create pull that all that image and all, and once you complete that, so they just create one of the sandbox in your system using this name, and then also provide your workspace, and that's it, and it will be automatically run it. So if it is automatically run it, so you will see the first time. But yeah, if you don't, and if you want to run it again, so definitely somehow if it is closed, so that could be in a case, right? So if it is closed and all, so again how we can just run this. So yeah, that's why I'm just showing it to you. But before that also, you can just check, like Docker, once you complete, so you can just check Docker sandbox, and then you can see list. Okay, so yeah, so once you complete your first step, so you will able to see that sandbox is got created over here. So this is the sandbox which we just created, and it is just running actually. So if it is running, so that is fine. If it is not running, so that is also, you can just manage that using this command. So if you see is the sandbox, if you go to here, so this is a list of command where you can just execute and see that all that VMs over there. Reset if you want to reset, then also if you want to remove, you want to save it as a snapshot, also you want to stop, and whatever that version, and also yeah, you can just manage this command also. So yeah, let me clear it. And yeah, so for here, what I will do, so if already we have that sandbox created, so simply we can run it using that name. So whatever name you can see over here, right? So as you can see, this is my name of that VM. So in the sandbox, so yeah, you can just simply use sandbox on a Docker Sandbox run, and this, and hit enter. And yeah, it's definitely it will do that second time, but yeah, first time you will don't need to do that all this. So now see, I can able to see my Copilot is running over here with this models. But if you want to change the model also, you can just change it over here, and now it's good to go with our uh, process, right? So yeah, there's many things actually you can do, like if you backslash, so you can see all that things actually you are able to do over here, like add directory, agent, if you want to create agent, allow all, ask, change log, clear, compact, context, so many things, exit also here, the exit, experimental feedbacks and all. So yeah, what I'll do, actually we will just create a project and see like how actually look like, as a development perspective, so how they can create a project and all. So yeah, that we will try over here. First, so for that actually I'll just use this initialize copilot instruction and all. And yeah, if you want to keep that, whatever things you want, so you can directly give it, but yeah, I'll just go with this process. Like I will first initialize that, so whatever that initialize, actually they will initialize based on that. So now see, is just created copilot instruction md file, actually which will help to create better project and all. So yeah, if you create, that's good. If it is not, so actually you can just avoid that. So yeah, once it's done, now what I'll do, I'll just simply create one application, so which is just simply I can just ask over here. So yeah, so I want to just create a room rent management system over here, so that we can ensure, okay, once we set up this, so it is also capable to create that project. So yeah, simply hit enter. So now I can able to see they are asking to few couple of options over here, like front end only, React app, and also full stack and also yeah, currently we will just going with this simple without complex mode, but yeah, go to this front end only. And yeah, later on we will try to with Firebase auth and other things also as a full stack developer. So yeah, go with this first option. So yeah, choose this. And yeah, it is just asking to 12 bind CSS. So yeah, mostly I'll just go with this plain CSS and all, but yeah, later on we'll see that other one. Yeah, go with this. So yeah, after couple of tries, so I can see yeah, it is try to run. This is the steps actually they follow, and this is the tutorial. So if I just open it now, yeah, I can able to see that app. Let me try to functionality, but yeah, look wise is not pretty much good. But yeah, room one, it's a one. Okay, yeah, it's add over there, correct. And if I just booked room, yeah, this is the room. Once you want to book, yeah, today I want to book it till 2:20 and booked. Okay, perfect. So yeah, looks like functionality is working. That means yeah, that app is, they are able to create this app. And if it is problem, so yeah, that's see, they're getting some issues, and also yeah, they just fix it and they just yeah. So yeah, as like Copilot, it's working fine, but it is completely local setup. And yeah, if you want to more enhancement and all, you can do that, but yeah, not, I'm not doing that. But yeah, I think it is pretty much good. But yeah, later on we will try to complex one. So yeah, this is, and also see the model currently used with this 45% and also that is also pretty much good. And yeah, one more thing actually I want to try, like in this local one, it's like open class access everything, so it is allowed to access or not, that I want to check it. Like for example, okay, so yeah, I'll just asking to could you get my D drive folder and see how many folder is available. Let's see, is it capable, like as like we create a sandbox and local, so that is very important actually to ensure it should not be accessed actually. So yeah, there is the answer, I guess. So yeah, as this they search the drive mount. Okay, so that is pretty much good. Like no, the drive mount was not found and all. Yeah, so that is secure, and guess, so there is a no issue for security perspective. So yeah, that we can go with this. So like create a sandbox and run this your copilot in local, and you can use it. So yeah, I think one thing I missed that. Oh my god. Yeah, so yeah, one thing I missed that for login. So if you first time, definitely once you do, definitely you have to log in. So you can go to let's login, right? And in this login you can just once you hit enter, it's asking to Copilot and all, github.com and all. So yeah, go to that GitHub, and yeah, definitely it will just keep this device. So if you want to click that, so it will just open it over here and asking to, and then once you continue, and it is just giving this code. So this code, actually whatever code is it provides, you have to access. So once you get that, so you will allow to start to work on this local Copilot. Yeah, so that part I missed that, but yeah, that actually initial level I have to show that. But yeah, now we are good. So yeah, that pretty much good. Thank you, have a nice day, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share.